What's up, y'all? Do you live in a quiet neighborhood? Do you want less attention while riding? Is your goal not to let cops miles away know you're giving your bike the juice and going for a speed run? Well, this one's for you. Today we're doing a sound check and ride feel of the ZX6R with the M4 exhaust, comparing it with and without the Q3 Stage 2 baffle. That's basically this thing right here. So this is without. As you can see, this is kind of a straight pipe. Nothing really muffling that sound. Versus with this, you have this plate right here with that little hole just for a little bit of the exhaust gas to go through. The rest just gonna have to go around and exit through these vents and out through this little diameter circle instead of saying hole. So that's what it looks like when it's in. That's how it looks without the baffle. So raw and aggressive versus deep and a little more of a street friendly setup. Let's get to it. All right, so to put this in, it's really simple. All you gotta do is just insert the baffle, put the snap ring right on top so it can hold it in place as such. So 1 and 2. And just like that, it's it. Alright, so ride it with the baffle in. Definitely not as droney. I don't feel the drone at all. Okay, so yeah, I can ride this with no earplugs, although you still need it because of the wind noise, but honestly, for whatever reason, if you don't have your earplugs in and you have to go out for a ride, it's fine. There is no drone whatsoever. Really sounds good. It's still loud. It's not that obnoxious loud that you get with no baffle at all. You can definitely enjoy the tone of the bike with no earplugs. It's street friendly. You know, if I'm riding next to a car, they're not just gonna put their windows up because it's way too loud for them and I'm just penetrating their ear. Yeah, it's good. Even if you're not a bike enthusiast or car enthusiast, you'll enjoy the sound, definitely. Because like I said, it is loud, but it's not like annoyingly loud. Now, which one do I like more? Do I like with the baffle, without the baffle? Honestly, I'm gonna run without the baffle just because I still like it that way a little bit more. But the reason why I got the baffle is because sometimes I go to work super early in the morning, like 5 a.m. in the morning, and I don't want to be that person in the neighborhood, you know, just waking everybody up, have no consideration for others. I thought I'll be a little bit more considerate and do the right thing and try not to be obnoxiously loud super early in the morning when everybody's asleep. So if you're like me and you live somewhere that's a little bit on the quieter side and you don't want to be that person waking everybody up in the morning and, you know, don't want your neighbors to hate you, if you have that exhaust and you're wondering what you can do to bring it down just a bit, that Q3 Stage 2 definitely will do the job. So yeah, just to point out, a baffle does not come with the exhaust. That's an add-on that you can buy. They're on Amazon, or you can call M4 and order it. with the Baffle, you know, you're fine. It's just, you know, you can hear the bike now, and it's not as annoying. So let's take it up the RPMs and see if there's any difference. Not really. I don't really feel it. Again, I know there might be some, but I don't feel it. Yeah, it's pulling. So we'll pull over here. Baffle in. Alright, let's go ahead and try to take this bad boy out now. This is going to be a mission, I'll tell you right now. And we're doing it on the side of the road. Oh. Let's go ahead and rev it up. Alright. Alright. Alright, y'all, no Baffle. This is my favorite. Not really sure where I am. Yeah, for this one I don't really think I need to speak. I think the sound does it all. If I have to add anything, it will be that it feels more powerful with no Baffle in. Absolutely. What are you doing, dude? Stupid. these are the times where I hope I had my baffle in. Alright, so hopefully that was helpful. Thank you all for watching. If you've watched through, hopefully that made you decide on whether or not you want to get that Q3 Stage 2 baffle, and peace.